In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up and craft badges on Steam for cheap in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newcomer exploring the vast world of Steam, this guide will have you navigating the intricacies of badge crafting like a pro while keeping costs in check. Let's get started by opening your Steam app. If you haven't already done so, locate the icon on your desktop or applications menu and give it a click. Once the app launches, you'll need to sign in. You can find the login button typically in the upper right corner of the window. Clicking this will bring up a prompt for your account name and password. Go ahead and enter your login credentials, making sure everything is correct. Then hit the sign in button to access your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by your Steam homepage. Now navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile name, which is usually located at the top of the page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the badges section. This is where you'll find all the information related to badge crafting and leveling up. Within the badges section, you'll see various games that you own, along with their corresponding badges. Focus on the games for which you've already earned trading cards. The idea here is to complete the badge for a particular game by gathering all the necessary trading cards. Next, you'll want to buy sets of these cards. Head over to the Steam Community Market where you can purchase trading cards. There are other platforms as well, but Steam's market is convenient and well integrated. Now here's a critical tip. Aim for cheaper sets, as they can reduce your costs significantly, sometimes to as low as 20 cents per badge. Keep an eye out for special events or sales that might offer free or discounted card packs, making the process even more budget friendly. With your complete set ready, find the Craft Badge button for the selected game and click it to craft the badge. Once you've crafted a badge, there's even more you can do. Did you know you can upgrade a badge up to 5 times? Each upgrade requires collecting more sets of trading cards for the same game, enhancing your badge and boosting your Steam level further. This could allow you to showcase your dedication to your favourite games while racking up those Steam experience points. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting badges on Steam on a budget, letting you enjoy all the benefits without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks for getting the most out of your gaming experience. Happy crafting!